हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रविदेत लिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 एडवांस इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is ignore. It means अनदेखा करना. The second word is competition. It means प्रतियोगिता. The third word is childhood. It means बचपन. The fourth word is according. It means अनुसार. The fifth word is bribe. It means रिश्वत. The sixth word is convenient. It means सुविधाजनक. The seventh word is courageous. It means साहसी. The eighth word is dedication. It means samarpan. The ninth word is marksman. It means lakshbedhi. The 10th word is ceaseless. It means nirantar. The 11th word is mountaineer. It means parvatarohi. The 12th word is candidate. It means umidwar. The 13th word is discipline. It means anushashan. The 14th word is precaution. It means सावधानियाँ. The 15th word is superstition. It means अंधविश्वास. The 16th word is patriotic. It means देशभक्तिपूर्ण. The 17th word is obstinate. It means जिद्दी. The 18th word is culture. It means संस्कृति. The 19th word is tactic. It means रणनीति. The 20th word is fluency. It means प्रवाह. The 21st word is accuracy. It means शुद्धता. The 22nd word is abundance. It means प्रचुरता. The 23rd word is tragedy. It means त्रासदी. The 24th word is tradition. It means parampara. The 25th and last word is a noun. It means अज्ञात. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more videos.